How to solve a Spotify download problem in Play Store. So firstly, open Play Store in your device. After that, go to the For You page of Google Play Store. Then you will see a profile icon at the top right corner. Tap on it and additional settings will be opened. At the bottom you can see there is an option called Settings. Tap on Settings and open your settings. Now extend the option of Network Preferences. Then select App Download Preferences. Here make sure that you have selected the option over any network. After that, click on OK and go back to your home page. Now navigate to Play Store and tap and hold on the Play Store. After that, these options will pop up. From here, tap on the eye icon and that is in the top right corner. Then your app info for Play Store will be opened. Here scroll down and you will see a section called Usage. Under that section, you will see an option called Storage. Tap on Storage. In Storage, you will see an interface like this. Here all the details about storage will be provided to you. Space used by app, data and cache can be seen here. Now from here you need to clear your cache. As you can see here, I have a cache of 22.14 MB. To clear that, you need to click on Clear Cache button from the bottom panel. Then your cache will be cleared and your problem will be solved. If you're still facing problem on downloading apps from your Play Store, then you might want to look for software updates. Look for software updates in your device and restart your device and your problem should be fixed. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.